Welcome back, everyone. My name is Cassie and you're watching the Victorian Thimble. Today, 2 minutes to chalk markings. Here's what we have. We have your traditional tailor's chalk. My box is a little bit broken up, but we do with what we got, right? With this, you can hold your chalk and mark. That is what this first line of marking can do. I did double it up a little, but that is what that chalk looks like. The next type of marking that we have are these heat erasable pens that basically look like a ballpoint pen. They're made by this company here, Love Sew, and this is what this marking here looks like. The next marking that we have are these pencils by Fons and Porter, and they are some awesome quilt ladies. So that's what this third line here, this is 100% chalk installed inside of a pencil. It's not wannabe chalk. This is real chalk that's somehow nice and solid. And then we do have a traditional tailor's chalk, just a tailor's pencil here. And that is what line number 4 looks like. You see that turns out a little bit thicker. And then finally, we do also have one of these here. It's got a little rolly ball on the end, and that's what made this ultra fine chalk mark here. So there it is, guys. 2 minutes to fabric markings. You could use chalk of different sorts, pencils, or even heat erasable pens. Catch you next time. Thanks again for watching the Victorian Thimble. I'll see you next time with your needle and thread. Bye.